guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Marta and today is going to be the last holiday makeup look. It's going to be a last minute makeup look and just something really quick that I'm going to do, and hopefully you guys like it. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button if you like this video. Also turn on your post notifications so you won't miss any of my videos. I'm just going to get started right away. I already have moisturizer on my face, so I'm going to put a little bit of foundation using this L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation in the shade Natural Beige, and I'm using the Beauty Blender to blend it all out. I'm running out of this foundation, but hopefully what's left of it is enough. But I mean, like I said, I don't want to do anything heavy. Then I'm going to apply the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Tawny just a little bit under my eyes, on my forehead, and on my chin. And I'm going to actually put a little bit on my upper lip. I know a lot of you don't wear concealers at all, but I just like to apply at least a little bit to brighten up my eyes. And then to set them, I know I didn't mention this powder in my previous video when I told you guys about translucent powders or any setting powders that don't give you a camera flashback. This one doesn't, the banana powder doesn't, and the Laura Mercier translucent powder doesn't, but a lot of other ones do. So I'm going to be using this one from CoverGirl Clean Professional Loose Powder in the shade Translucent Fair, and apply that with the e.l.f. Cosmetics blush brush under my eyes, on my forehead, and on my chin. If you don't want to go too heavy with the setting powder, I suggest you use a brush than a beauty blender, because if you're using a beauty blender and get the powder like that, then you're like really packing the powder under your eyes, and with the brush you're just like very lightly setting your eyes. Does that make sense? I'm all over the place right now. And then to set my whole face, I'm going to use the Rimmel Stay Matte pressed powder using the e.l.f. Cosmetics complexion brush, and just grab a little bit of that and set my whole face. And if I have any excess powder under my eyes, I'm just going to dust that right off. For the bronzer, I'm going to use this highlight and contour palette from Profusion. It's going to be my first time. As you can see, it still has the plastic on it. I know I've said this before in other videos, but it's not really necessary to put bronzer, or I don't know about bronzer. I think it's just contour, to contour your forehead if you have a very small forehead, because the point of contouring is to give like that illusion, like when you contour your nose is to make it look thinner, to contour your forehead is to make it look smaller. That's why I always put a lot on my forehead, because I have a big forehead. Yeah, I think I put way too much on my forehead. Well, if that ever happens to you, just set your powder again and then put a little bit over that. That kind of makes it go away a little. Now I'm gonna get this blush kit from Anastasia, and I'm gonna get this shade right here, and I'm going to apply just a little bit with the BH Cosmetics angled blush. Well, I don't know what it's called, but it's from a brush set from BH Cosmetics. The only times I do not like to apply blush at all is when I do a very colorful eye look, because to me that's just too much, but that's just my opinion. Before I continue with the rest of my face, I'm going to set my makeup with this Urban Decay All Nighter Cherry Scented Setting Spray. The travel size, very convenient. Now I'm going to quickly fill in my brows with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Perfect Brow Pencil in the shade Granite. And I know I'm definitely gonna have to clean them from the bottom, but I'm gonna try to do my best to not fill them that much from the top, that way I don't have to clean them up. Then I'm going to grab the same LA Girl Pro Concealer and the Real Techniques Detailer brush to clean my brows from the bottom. Then I'm going to drag the concealer down to my eyelid and add a little more if I need to, and use that as a primer for my eyeshadow. And blend it out with my finger nice and even all over my eyelid to my brow bone. And I'm going to set that concealer with the same clean professional powder from CoverGirl. And I'm using the e.l.f. Cosmetics Flawless Concealer Brush to set that. Okay, for the eyes, it is very, very easy and quick to do. It's such a simple look. The only thing that kind of makes it look a little bit dramatic are the eyelashes, and you don't have to put eyelashes. It will look nice without eyelashes too. For this eye look, I only used one eyeshadow from the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette, and I start by applying it on the outer part of my eyelid. And I only used one brush. I used the e.l.f. Cosmetics crease brush to apply it and blend it out. I promise you, this step does not take a long time. All you have to do is apply it, blend it out, and if you want the shade deeper, you just keep applying it and blending it out. Once it's on my outer corner nice and blended, I just get a little bit more and apply it on my lid and blend it out up towards my crease. Now on my eyelid, I'm going to apply this Pixie by Petra. It's a liquid fairy light, a liquid eyeshadow with glitter, of course. Very pretty. This one's crystalline. I want to have kind of a lot on the inner corner of my eyelid and then just blend it out towards the end. I'm going to apply this Mr. Right eyeliner pencil from The Balm Cosmetics to my waterline. And I'm going to apply this Maybelline Lash Stiletto on my lower lashes. So as you can see, I took the eyelashes off I had on this side because I wanted to do a very quick look, but I totally forgot I let my sister borrow my eyelash curler, so I didn't have it. And my husband was nice enough to take me to the store and we bought an eyelash curler. So I'm just going to curl my eyelashes and apply the same Maybelline mascara on my top lashes, which by the way is my favorite drugstore mascara. I'm going to apply some of the Anastasia Beverly Hills Omrezi highlighter on my cheekbones, on my forehead, my chin, the tip of my nose, and my cupid's bow. And I'm going to be using the Anastasia A23 brush to apply that. Now for lipsticks, I'm going to take out my Lancome lipsticks. They're these beautiful lipsticks right here. I don't know if you guys remember, but on my Instagram, I swatched all of these lipsticks on my arm, and I'm not kidding, and they did not come off. It took me 4 days. Obviously, like on the 4th day, they were already like fading, but I would like scrub, and it was still there. I mean, for you guys, I don't know if that's good, if you guys like that or not. To me, that's good because you don't have to like apply it every time, you know? So I'm gonna use this one right here, and look, I like how you just push up here, and it just pops out. Well, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you like this look. Let me know in the comments what you think. Did you like it? Did you not like it? I feel like it's a very cute look. Easy to do, not too heavy on the face, it won't look cakey, it won't give you a camera flashback, and no need to struggle with fake eyelashes. So I really hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new here. Happy holidays. I hope you guys have fun with your family, friends, or whoever you're going to celebrate it with. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!